Some things that become trendy in skincare can become way overhyped, and you've got to question the hype and question, are these really beneficial for your skin or not? Well, give this video a big thumbs up because today we're going to be talking all about one of the pretty hyped up trends in skincare today, which is facial rollers. We're going to find out the 5 benefits of using one of these in your routine. Plus, I'm going to teach you 2 full face massage techniques that you can use your facial roller for. So facial rollers are definitely hyped up, but not overly so. They actually do have some proven benefits for your skincare routine. Here are 5 reasons why facial rollers are beneficial to your skincare routine. Number 1, it keeps the skin looking young. Facial rolling actually helps to improve the blood flow to the skin, which means you're going to have a clearer complexion. It also can help stimulate collagen production on the skin, which means you're going to have much firmer and smoother looking skin. Number 2, it helps relieve facial tension. Now, of course, this is going to help with tension headaches, but when you keep a lot of tension, especially in your eyebrows and even in your jaw, it can actually create a lot of tension on your face that can cause wrinkles in the long run. So when you use a facial roller and you relieve that tension, you're fighting wrinkles. Number 3, your serums will work better. When you use your facial roller and a serum, you're actually helping the serum to penetrate your skin better, which means it's going to work more effectively and maybe even faster. Number 4, it promotes lymphatic drainage, which is excellent to flush all the toxins out of your face. Sometimes you can get a really dull looking complexions because lymphatic fluids are actually building up underneath your skin. When you use a facial roller, you encourage that fluid to drain through the lymph system. Number 5, it will depuff your face. If you ever get puffy skin from eating too much sodium or having too much alcohol, definitely use your facial roller to help the fluid retention. Now, you can definitely put this one in the refrigerator or the freezer because the cold is actually going to give it a double boost when you are helping the fluids to release. This is also excellent when you have puffy eyes in the morning. To roll the cool stone across your under eye area is really going to help perk those eyes up. Now, you may have seen 2 types of facial rollers on the market: jade rollers and rose quartz rollers. So which one should you choose? Well, of course you want to pick the one that is a color that you like, but there are actually benefits behind the material that's used for the roller. So in a nutshell, jade is supposed to help release any negative feelings as well as any negative energy surrounding you, and rose quartz is supposed to help open up your heart and strengthen your relationship with yourself and others. So you can use the roller in your regular routine to help your serums penetrate your skin better. You can also use it in the morning to help depuff your skin, but really the best way to use it is for a full face massage. So I actually want to show you guys 2 different facial massage techniques that I use my roller for with great results. So the first facial massage technique is going to be an uplifting, firming, and anti-aging massage. Now you want to make sure that you are applying some type of serum or even an oil so that the stone slips across the face without any pulling or any tension. Starting in the middle of the face, you want to move in an outward and upward motion. As you roll across the face, you don't have to apply a lot of pressure at all, and you can swipe over each area about 2 to 3 times. Once you move towards the jaw area, you can spend a little bit more time here, as this is one of the places that we often hold a lot of tension. Switch to the smaller roller and move from the nose underneath the eye, from close to the nose, in an outward and upward motion. Remember to be delicate, don't apply a lot of pressure. Then on the forehead, you want to start again from the center and then move in outward strokes to the left side and then move in outward strokes to the right side. Switching back over to the smaller roller, roll across starting from your nose across your eyebrows. You may want to repeat this a couple of times. If this is your first time rolling, you may find a lot of tension being held surprisingly in your eyebrows. Next, we're gonna finish up on our neck. Starting from the tip of your chin, move the roller downwards. And you can move from each side, just moving a little bit downwards and back. Starting from the collarbone, roll upwards towards your jawline. And that's the anti-aging, uplifting, and firming facial massage. Next, I'm going to teach you lymphatic massage. Now this one is a little bit different. This helps encourage the fluid that might be underneath your skin, causing a dull complexion and possibly even a puffy complexion, to release into the lymph system and be drained away. This is great if you're suffering from a puffy face. If you want to slim your jawline, this is going to be a great massage to incorporate into your routine. It's very detoxifying. So the difference on this one is we are going to start from the forehead and we're going to work in a slightly downwards motion. So starting from the center of the forehead, you're going to move outwards and slightly down towards the temple area. And repeat this on both sides. And again, remember to have some serum on your skin to ensure that we're not tugging the skin at all. Next, we're going to move to the eyebrows. So flip over to that smaller side and roll the small roller across your eyebrows, starting from close to the nose and working outwards, slightly down into that temple area. Next, we are going to go from the temples and pull straight down just underneath the cheekbone. Remember, don't apply a ton of pressure here. We're just encouraging the fluid to move downwards. Now that we've done that, we can go back to the eye area with the small roller, and it's going to be the same technique as the firming massage. Coming from inside just by the nose, sweeping outwards, and in this case, you want to go a little bit up. Next, we're gonna move from the center of the face outwards. So we're gonna go from the nose, moving straight out, and then kind of pulling it straight down towards the jaw area. Next, you want to concentrate on the jaw area. As you do this, we're going to move from the center of the chin and we're going to push that fluid and almost encourage it towards the ear. Now we're going to work underneath the chin. You may want to flip to the smaller stone for this one. You're going to start from the top of the chin and pull downwards, just like we did in the firming massage. But the difference here is once you've done the center of your chin, we're going to move underneath the jaw. So starting from the center of the chin, moving outwards underneath the jawline to close to the ear. We're going to go right under that jawbone. This is what's really going to give you that slimming action on your face, especially if you want to see a little bit more of a V line. And I'm just kind of pushing it back to just below my ear. Once you've done that, go from just underneath the ear, behind the ear, you're going to roll down towards your collarbone. And this is pulling all that lymphatic fluid down into the lymph system. Move across the neck to the center and then really spend some time on the other side to pull from your ear down to your collarbone. We're going to release the fluids into the lymph system. So just underneath the collarbone, you're going to take that small roller, starting from the center, you're going to move it towards your shoulders. Take your hands and apply gentle pressure just underneath your armpits. And this is what allows the lymph system to drain completely from your face. So just apply a little bit of pressure. It may feel a little strange. So that's it. That is how you detoxify your face by performing lymphatic massage using a facial roller. If you're interested in that lymphatic massage but you don't have a roller, I do have a video for you on how you can perform the same technique using your hands. I'm going to link that for you guys up right here. No facial tools needed at all. So I hope that video helped to answer some questions you might have about facial rolling and decide if it's really worth the hype or not. In my opinion and in my experience, I definitely thought that they were way overhyped for a long time. But now that I have one, I actually really do see the benefits of using it. So let me know in the comment box below. Do you guys have a facial roller? Are you on board with this trend, or do you think it's totally overhyped? Let me know in the comment box below. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and if you ring that little bell, you'll get notified every time I upload a new skincare video, which is twice a week. If you absolutely cannot wait till the next video, please come join me on Instagram. I have a link to my account in the info box below. I post about my skincare adventures every single day, so come say hi. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video, and I hope you're having a very beautiful day. Bye, guys.